Hi guys, and welcome to another Divi theme tutorial. This is Jamie from System22 and webdesignandtechtips.com. Well, today we're just going to put together a simple diagonal accordion. Really easy to do it with the Divi inbuilt features. And it's just a nice little effect to have on your site. Like I say, very simple to do. Divi is an absolutely awesome theme. If you're building any sort of WordPress site at all, I would suggest you check it out. And if you want to take it for a test run, you can do so from a link below this video. So let's get started. First thing I'm going to do is enable our visual builder up here. That allows us to build things on the front end. And once enabled, let's go down to the section that we want right here. And what I'll do is I'll remove this section and we'll start from scratch. Okay. So I'm going to hit the little blue button to add a new section. I'm going to call it a regular section. I'm just going to give it one column in our row here. Once we put it in there, we're prompted to add a module. All these light grey ones here are the ones that come by default with Divi. So you've got more than enough to build awesome sites with. The different coloured ones there are from third-party plugins I use and demo. So I'm going to hit the accordion module. And as you can see, it's already put something in here. Just the default. So if we go to the content, you can see you've already got two in there. So let's go ahead and start styling one of them how we want it. I'm just going to leave the default text in there. I'm sure if you're building a site, you've got something to say in yours. I'll call this section 1. And as you can see, it's changed it down there for us. Okay, let's go to the design and see what we want to do with it. Well, you can choose the icon that you have there for opening and closing, or the icon color. I'm going to have mine white because I'm going to give the actual toggle a dark background. So if we go down to toggle text, open toggle text color, I'm going to make that white. I'm going to give it blue background. Text white, blue background. And closed toggle text color. We'll do the similar thing. I'm going to just keep it very simple. I'm going to have the same color all the way through. And to make our text white there, let's go to our content. I'm just going to select it like any regular WordPress module. Select the text, go up to the text color here, and just select white. There we go. Now then, text-wise, I want it sort of central, so I'm going to center align it. That works for me. And a little bit of box shadow, why not? Actually, I don't want any text shadow on this one. Let's go down to, I'm not going to put a border on, but I will give it some rounded corners. So say 50 pixels. Link them all. There we are. It's giving it a nice rounded thing there. If we want it totally round, we could do it more than that, but that's going to work for me. That's fine. I think when you find when it's closed up, yeah, that's going to look absolutely fine. Okay. What else do we want to do? Let's just take, put a bit of box shadow on there, make it stand out a little bit. And sizing wise, what I'm going to have do is sort of go diagonally down like this. So I want to start off with it being about 60%. Obviously you choose exactly how you want yours. So I'm going to say sizing. And I'm going to say width 60%. That's 60% of the container that it's inside there, which would be our one column on our row there. So that's fine. Let's just open this up. So that's doing pretty much exactly what I want. So if we just check the check mark down here, go back to our content, I'm going to duplicate this module. So we've got 7 different versions of it. And I'm going to delete that original one that was there. And I'm going to actually extend styles, everything in this row. There we go. So there we go. We've extended our styles there, so they're all the same. Let's go in and just shuffle them around. Go into our second one here. Go up to the design and just make it a slightly different color. Text color I'll leave the same. Open toggle background color will make purple, and same with the closed. There we have it. Now we want to shift this over. So I did 60%, so I can do 10% on each, 70%, 80%, 90%, 100%. So I can put 10% on each for spacing. Let's go over to spacing. I'm going to go over to margin. I want left. I'll say 10%. As you can see, that one's pushed that one over. Move on down to the next one. Of course, I guess I should have changed the title there. Not that it really matters, seeing as it's a demo. And we'll move on to the next one. Section 3. And design. I can toggle. And this one, let's make it green. And again, we want to go over to our spacing. And we'll give this one 20%. Fine. And just rinse and repeat as we go through. And this one will give 30% on the spacing. And last but not least, we'll do this one. Go to the toggle, change our background colors. What's left? Red, I suppose. And we can put this one over 40%. There we have it. And there's our little diagonal toggle section. Very easy to do. Just save our changes and exit the Visual Builder. Go down to the Save button. When it's saved, let's exit the Visual Builder. And there's our little diagonal accordion section. Like I say, very easy to do, especially with the inbuilt features of the Divi there. So I hope you found that useful and interesting. If you have, please give it a thumbs up, share, comment and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you're interested in web development, take a look down below. We've got some great free web development courses down there, as well as some premium courses with some huge discounts for our YouTube subscribers, so do check it out. Once again, this has been Jamie with System22 and webdesignandtechtips.com. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.